Join me as I dive into the world of photography and figure out if it's really the dream career I've always imagined. Photography, the art of capturing life's precious moments, the beauty of the world around us, and telling stories through images. For many, it's a dream career, offering the freedom to be creative, travel, and make a living from something they're passionate about. Imagine getting paid to travel, explore new places, and capture their essence through your lens. Sounds like a dream, right? But let's be real, making a living as a photographer isn't all rainbows and sunshine. One of the biggest challenges aspiring photographers face is the sheer level of competition out there. With the rise of social media, everyone's a photographer, and it's easy to get lost in the crowd. Plus, there's the financial instability. It can take time to build a client base and start earning a steady income. And then there's the pressure to constantly produce high-quality work, to stay ahead of the game, and to keep your creative spark alive. This competition can be tough to navigate, and it's easy to feel like you're not good enough or that you'll never make it. But here's the thing. Every successful photographer started somewhere. They faced the same challenges, doubts, and fears. What sets them apart is their perseverance and dedication to their craft. Financial instability is another hurdle, but it's not insurmountable. Many photographers start out by shooting on the side while they work a day job, slowly building up their portfolio and client base. The artistic pressure to stand out is also real. With so many talented photographers out there, how do you differentiate yourself? It's a question that keeps many photographers up at night. But rather than trying to compete with others, it's more important to focus on developing your unique style and vision. What makes your photographs different? What story do you want to tell through your images? Photography is a broad field, with many different paths to explore. You could specialize in portrait photography, capturing the personalities and emotions of your subjects. Or, you might prefer commercial photography, working with brands to create images that sell their products or services. Landscape photography is another popular path, requiring a deep connection with nature and the ability to capture its beauty. Each of these paths requires different skills, but they all need a strong foundation in the basics of photography, composition, lighting, and technique. To develop these skills, it's essential to practice, experiment, and learn from your mistakes. Take online courses, attend workshops, and join photography communities to stay inspired and informed. Read books, watch tutorials, and try new things. It's the best way to find what works for you and what doesn't. For me, the turning point came when I realized that photography wasn't just about taking pictures. It was about telling stories, capturing moments, and evoking emotions. I remember a particularly tough period when I was struggling to find my style and wondering if I was good enough. But then I had a shoot that changed everything. I was photographing a wedding, and I managed to capture this incredible moment between the bride and groom. It was pure magic. In that moment, I knew I'd made the right decision in pursuing photography. That moment of clarity is what keeps me going, even on the tough days. And I think that's what sets successful photographers apart: their passion, dedication, and perseverance. It's not always easy, but if you're willing to put in the work, photography can be an incredibly rewarding career. So, what do you think? Is photography a dream career for you? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll catch you in the next video.